I'll be showing you how to clear your storage space on your Android phone. Now I'm using the Google Pixel 8, which is pure stock Android, but it's more or less the same instructions for all other Android phones. So I'll be showing you a few things you can do to clear storage space. Now the main culprit of storage is photos and videos. So what you want to do on your Android phone is make sure you have Google Photos. This one comes pre-installed on the Pixel, but for other Android phones, you can always go to the App Store, find Google Photos, and install the app. Okay. Now, since I already have the app, what I need to do is make sure I have backups enabled. So I'll go to the profile icon in Google Photos, go to Photos settings, go to backup, and then make sure I have backup enabled. That basically means whenever I take a photo or video, it's going to back up or upload the photos and videos to my Google Photos account. Now, of course, you can see the account which it's linked to, and also you have options like the backup quality. Do you want to backup original quality or the storage saver, which is basically a slightly reduced quality version of the original photo. Now, I like to leave mine at original quality, and then you have options for mobile data usage. Can you use mobile data to upload photos? Depends on what you want, really. So once you enable that and you ensure that photos and videos you had recorded or taken have been uploaded to Google Photos, you can always go ahead and delete them from your phone. And that should help in clearing up some storage space. Now, the other thing you can do is go to the file manager. Okay, so let's go to files on this Android phone. For the Pixel, here's the app. Okay, now here you might have many files that are not doing anything. So for instance, if you go to audio, you can see I have several audio files here which I can delete. I have images which I can delete. I have downloads, and downloads is a tricky one because a lot of files hide in the downloads folder. This is going to carry all the downloads from your browser. Anything you've downloaded from your browser is going to be saved here. So this is a very critical folder to clear. What you want to do is simply select. You might have a menu to select all and then tap on delete. Okay, and you can go clearing all the files you don't need in your Android phone. So you can see inside apps, of course you're not going to delete apps, but then you can delete videos you don't need. Okay, so tap on that, select all, and then tap on delete, move to trash. Okay, now the other thing you want to do is always go to your trash bin or your recycle bin on your Android phone and delete files from there, because once you delete them like this, the way I've deleted them, they're not going to be deleted automatically from the phone. They're going to stay for a few days before they are permanently deleted. So what you want to do is go to the trash bin. So for instance, on my Pixel, if I tap on this, you can see trash has 329 MB of data. So that's still data occupying my phone. So what you want to do is just select. I'll select everything and then delete permanently from the recycle bin. Now that is going to clear up my storage space. So you can do that for all the files you need to delete. Now the other thing you can do is delete unnecessary data from specific apps. Now some notorious apps for this are apps like WhatsApp. If you go into WhatsApp, in fact, let me check out on my other Android phone, which is a Samsung phone. Now if you go into your WhatsApp application on your Android phone and go to the three dots in the top right corner, select settings, and then go to storage and data, and then go to manage storage. You'll notice there might be a lot of data inside your WhatsApp. Now I don't have data in my WhatsApp, but you should see charts and channels. You can tap on a specific chart and you might find a lot of media that you might want to delete to save some storage space. And that is basically how to clear up storage space on your Android phone. Now, if you have any questions or extra tips on how to clear storage space on your phone, leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Good luck.